Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Binance app and you have to log in. So just before that you have to open up your Tonkeeper app to copy your wallet address so that you can transfer the USDT. You have to click on receive and you have to click on copy. Okay, then you have to go back and open up the Binance app again. Then you have to go to on wallet. After that you have to click on withdraw. Then you can see here is three options. You have to click on the second option, withdraw crypto. After that you have to click on search and search for USDT. Then you have to click on USDT here. Then you have to click on send via crypto network. Click on this. After that you have to paste the wallet address that you just have copied. Then the network will be automatically selected. Then you have to put the amount here that you want to transfer to Tonkeeper app. Then you have to click on withdraw. Then your amount will be transferred from Binance to Tonkeeper. So this is how you transfer USDT from Binance app to Tonkeeper app. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.